Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Happy Sunday, or whatever day you're watching this, but today is Sunday for me. I'm currently sitting in my car getting ready to have brunch with babe. So we were going to go to another Broken Egg, but they have like a 2-hour wait. So I think we're going to go to another place called Canopy Road, which is down the street. So I wanted to turn on the camera because I may try to go in Home Goods while I'm out here, because I'm on a completely different side of town from where I stay at. So this is where most of the malls and stores are located. So I may go in Home Goods while I'm over here, as well as Pier 1, because they're getting ready to close down. So I think this is like the last month or so for Pier 1. So I just kind of wanted to peek in there and see what was left. And I was going to take you guys along. So, but first we're trying to get something to eat. So I'm waiting on babe to get here. And then we're going to get something to eat. So I'll jump back on in a bit. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I had brunch with babe, and I am at the Pier 1 location, and I'm going to baby I'm going to go and just check out to see what's left. It's been a few weeks since I've been in here, and so I'm gonna take you guys along just to see what's left, because I know we only have maybe like a month or so before our Pier 1 will actually be closing down for good. And just to give you guys a little bit of fun fact, me and babe met in Pier 1. So one of my favorite stores. I know I'm missing an earring. It dropped and I don't know where it is, and I'm not going to take time to look for it. I don't know if I'm going to go to Home Goods or not. Let me get my mask. But yeah, I may get some more of those jewelry boxes if they have them. The ones that I shared with you guys that I purchased for the bedroom. But yeah, lifestyle lovers, so we're just gonna go in here, check out Pier 1 closing sale, see what they have, and then I'll decide if I'm going to Home Goods, which I'm kind of ready to get back home. I'm tired and full now. To be closing price ridiculously high, in my opinion. The gold jewelry boxes that I purchased, I don't know, maybe it was like a month ago, but I did them in a haul for the bedroom. They're pretty much the same price. It was $72 for both of them. Like, so I don't know, they still kind of high, in my opinion, to be closing down. So, but I guess depending on what you need, they did have some, you know, nice stuff. I will say the cabinets, you know, if you're in the need of a cabinet or some type of sideboard, you know, some people use them as TV stands or whatever the case may be. That's the one that I have at the top of my stairs. I purchased it from Pier 1, and I purchased it on sale. I think back then it was like $500. So that same cabinet is like $375 now. So if you're in need of that, something like that, then, you know, you may want to check them out. But it still ain't no sale, in my opinion. So I don't think I'm going to Home Goods. I don't necessarily need anything. I do have a large piece of furniture coming from CB2 next week. So I probably will need to go in Home Goods, but today is not the day. And I'm gonna check West Elm. I don't know if West Elm is open, but I'm gonna peep in there, because if I would want to go anywhere out here, it would be West Elm. And then I'm going to head back to my side. There is a Ross out here, but I'm not even gonna fool with Ross. But I do want to peek in West Elm. So if they're open, then I'll show you guys some footage from West Elm, and that's pretty much going to be it for today. So yeah, okay, lifestyle lovers. So it's probably about 5 o'clock in the evening. I think the last clip I was in Pier 1, and I don't know if I came back on camera or not, but Pier 1 is really expensive. For that to be a going out of business sale, they high. So I came home and I just put a video out of, I believe it's 6 best outfits to wear on a first date, or date night, date day outfits. So make sure you guys check that out. And I also featured this personalized necklace in the video, which I absolutely love. I really do. If any company like reaches out to me for, you know, sponsored content or a collaboration, if it's not anything that I would buy with my own money or I would use regardless if they were giving it to me for free or not, then I probably won't do it. You know, I've had some companies reach out to me for certain stuff that I probably could have gotten for free. But I will tell you this, I'm not going to get on camera and pretend like I like something or just bring something to you guys just because I got it for free. I just won't do that. So if I advertise any product on my channel, you best to believe it's something that I would purchase myself with my own money, or I would use regardless whether I was getting it for free or not. So I just want to make that disclaimer to you guys. I've already purchased something else from Yafini for my daughter. I think I talked about that in the video, but I purchased her a necklace as well as a anklet with her name on it for her birthday, and I plan to purchase additional items, probably as gifts, because every woman should have a personalized necklace, a necklace with their name on it. So make sure you guys check that out. But right now I'm headed to, excuse me, my girlfriend's house. She actually cooked crabs yesterday, and I was planning to come by with Babe, but you know, we didn't make it by. And she bought extra crabs for both me and him. So she has some of the crabs left over, so I'm headed over to her house. We're gonna go ahead and I guess finish up the crabs, and that'll probably be it for today. Neri wanted me to cook her a veggie pot, so I'll probably do that. And that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow is Monday. Mook has school tomorrow. I'm still on vacation, thank God, but tomorrow's my last day of vacation. So whatever I didn't get done in the few days that I was off, I need to go ahead and wrap that up. I have a decorate with me coming out. I finished the loft area. Some of you guys probably got a sneak peek at that in the vlog, where I was pretty much catching up, but the loft area is completely finished, and I did a decorate with me. So currently I'm working on the voiceover for that, but it will be coming out this week. I actually want to get it done before I return to work on Tuesday. That way I'm not trying to squeeze in editing once work starts back up. Okay, baby, why is... But yeah, lifestyle. Oh, what the hell y'all doing? I'm telling you, you have to drive for you and everybody else, because people, they'll kill you out here because they don't know how to damn it drive. So yeah, so we're just gonna finish up these crabs. I'm gonna take a bottle of my favorite wine over there, which is the Dublin. This is the Hatteras Red, and I kind of go between this one and the Carolina Red. So just take that over and chill for an hour or two. I'm not going to stay long, and get on bike to the house. And I think my sister is going to be heading over here as well. So yeah. What you got to eat from Chilla? Oh, okay. How much you pay? The crab pot is pretty much how me and my girlfriends bond. This is where we talk about our husbands, for those of who are married, our boyfriends, our complicated relationships, our kids, our dreams, our weaknesses. This is where all the tea is told. So with that being said, lifestyle lovers, the vlog is ending here. Continue to be safe, and I'll catch you on the next video.
And in my city, well, okay. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever get